How to fix your HBO Max account not playing video. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply check your service status. What you can actually do is visit any sort of detector website, and then from there you can check if your HBO Max is experiencing any sort of server outage, right? So sometimes there can be issues like this within the website. So sometimes there might be the issue regarding that too. There's nothing that you can do except waiting, so simply check that, and if you're sure that it's not the issue, then you can try to restart the application or the device. What you can actually do is force close the application and restart your smart TV or streaming stick or phone and relaunch it too, right? So after doing all of these, if it's still not working, then if you are on your smart TV, then you can check that your display and HDMI cables are right. So what you're going to do is ensure that the HDC compliance by unplugging and replugging the HDMI cable or testing another HDMI port too. So after doing all of these, if it's still not working, then try to disable any sort of VPN or ad blocker if you are using one. So if you're on your smartphone, if you scroll down from your control panel, make sure that you're not using any sort of VPN, turn that off. And if you're on your browser, then make sure you're not using any sort of browser extension that you'll be able to get, right? So after doing all of these, if it's still not working, then try to clear all of the cache, or you can reinstall the application, and I'm pretty sure that will help you guys.